Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you this 1970s Lund paired with a 1995 Johnson 25 horse. My brother and I picked it up, the Johnson 2 days ago, and then the 14-foot boat today. So the motor has a new water pump in it and new spark plugs. We picked it up for $300, which is an absolute steal. And the only thing wrong was that it was missing this. The guy could not get it to fire. The boat, we just slapped the motor on it and works fine. So it is electric start only and a short shaft tiller. So let's get going here. And there's the pea stream. Pea's really good. Alright, now he's forward. I can't really go full throttle in this as a lot of the weight's back here. We're going to have to distribute some more weight up front, but I can demonstrate a good amount of it. Here's full throttle. I'm going to back it off. As you can see, it proportions a lot. It's really slapping him around. All right, here's neutral, and here's reverse. Kill it here. Starts right back up. It's a really good running motor, so I think we're going to enjoy this setup for this summer. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.